Everybody knows about drive-thrus, right? But what if I told you there was a way that you could get part of your healthcare done in a drive-thru? Welcome to Door County Medical Center's Drive-Thru Lab, an exciting new way to provide care in an easier and more efficient environment. I'm joined right now by Victoria Roop, Lab Manager, and she's been heavily involved in this whole venture. So Victoria, can you tell me a little bit about what was the brainchild behind this?
It actually started with COVID-19 pandemic when we needed a way to set up to do COVID-19 testing and swabbing, and this was a perfect opportunity in 2021 when we looked at closing this down when numbers dropped, and our Director of Ancillary Services thought it would be a great idea to utilize this space to bring service out to our community. So that's where the Lab Drive-Thru was born.
That's really neat. And so it's open most days of the week. Can you tell me what the hours are?
Yes, absolutely. It's open Monday through Friday, 6 to 2. And on Saturday, 7 to 11.
How can we go about scheduling an appointment to come through here?
You can either schedule on patient portal or you can call the hospital directly.
Yeah, you know, I had the opportunity to do it a number of months back, and I just went on the app that we have, which is the portal essentially, and it was very, very quick and very easy, and it was really slick. So why don't we take this opportunity to just kind of go through sort of the motions as to what would happen if I were to come in here and have some blood work drawn. I should mention that it's not just blood work that can be done here. You mentioned COVID-19, so we're able to still do COVID swabs and that sort of thing if we need to have a swab done in the nasal swabs, or we can also have you bring in, if your clinician orders a urine test or a stool test or something that requires dropping off a specimen, you can pull right in here and drop off that specimen and head on your way without having to ever go in the hospital. Let's take a look at the steps now involved in getting your blood drawn here, because that was the experience I had, and it was really quick and painless, and I was on my way in no time. So what would you normally do in this circumstance?
Well, everybody would pull up into their vehicle, they'd turn off their vehicle, roll down their window, we would greet each other. Registration is here on site to register you and take your insurance information, and then we would pull up your lab orders on the computer, and we would get our lab equipment ready, and you'd hold your arm out the window, and we would draw you right from your arm.
Just like this?
Yes, correct.
And what if it was hard to, what if the door was high, or it was hard to get my arm up here? What would you do?
We have patients open their door for us, and we utilize a arm support rest that they can use, and it is adjustable. It goes up and down, backwards and forwards.
Wonderful. Well, Victoria, thank you so much for showing us this. This is an amazing, new, convenient thing for us to do. So that's one of the things that I've never liked about healthcare, is that it seems to always take a big part of your day. And in these days where everyone is so busy, it's nice to be able to come in, get your blood work drawn, and do it in an efficient way that doesn't take half your afternoon. So we hope you'll find this to be a great new opportunity to get your healthcare done in an easy way. To do that, again, go on your portal and make an appointment, or you can call the number seen on your screen and make an appointment that way. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon.